Hello. Oh my god. Do I know how to make an intro? No, I don't. Hello, my name is Sarah Navy, and if you're new here, I make travel and lifestyle vlogs, and I am going on the spring 2023 voyage of semester at sea. I've actually been enrolled to go on semester at sea since June of 2020, which is almost 2.5 years ago. It'll be over 2.5 years by the time I go on the voyage. So it's November 1st right now. So that means we're leaving in just over 2 months, which is insane. I have seen like every semester at sea vlog that has ever showed up, especially since it's been so long. I was originally supposed to go on the spring 2022 voyage, then I decided to postpone a year to the 23 voyage, and I will actually be a postgrad student on semester at sea. I graduated from St. Ben's in May of 2021, so I've already been postgrad for like a year and a half almost. I am gonna be one of the older ones on semester at sea, but there'll be other older people there, especially since because of COVID, so many people have postponed anyway. I won't be the only one. Because I've known that I'm gonna be on semester at sea for so long, I've had lots of time to ask for like birthday and Christmas for things that I need for semester at sea. I just had a birthday in October, so I thought I would do a semester at sea haul because basically everything I asked for is stuff that I'll need on semester at sea. Some of it is more interesting, unique stuff. Some of it is like just generic stuff that I'll need. First, I should start with this Brita water bottle. It's the blue one. My favorite color is blue, in case you couldn't tell. I also don't have a good backdrop to film on or like any good wall. I need to work on that. I thought it'd be really nice to have a filter water bottle because, well, first of all, my water bottle right now looks like this. There's a lot of stickers on it from so many different places I've been. It is one of these Camelback ones, so it's not filtered. I thought it'd be really good to have two water bottles, especially at sea and at port when there's not like fresh drinking water a lot of time, or when we're in port and there might not be a country that has safe drinking water. So I thought it'd be a really good idea to have a water bottle that's filtered, and I saw other people in some other vlogs from this fall voyage that had these ones. I also just need a water bottle that has a straw. Like I drink so much more water when I have a straw like this. I thought it'd be really good to have replacement filters too, even if I don't use them all. Yes, this water bottle will also be covered in stickers. This is like 4.5 years of sticker work. This used to be Harry Potter. It's like a white blob now. All of this stuff is from Amazon, so I'll put links down in the description below of all the things that I got. The next thing I got is some sunbum. The next thing I got is Sunbum sunscreen. Can't have any aerosol, so you can't have spray suntan lotion, which is unfortunate because that's kind of I normally use. I heard somebody in our semester at sea spring 23 group chat say that Sunbum wasn't okay, like it wasn't technically reef safe, even though they claim it is. But some people have said that it's been okay. So I'll have to look at that. I also got Sunbum Aloe. Even though it won't be super warm on our voyage, we'll still be on a ship in the middle of the ocean, and I'm sure, get sunburned. So, aloe. I have a MacBook. Everyone talks about how you need something to put under your laptop so that the vibrations from the ship don't wreck your laptop. I just realized that it was getting darker in here, and that's because the sun's going down, so I just turned on the other light. Otherwise, I'm gonna be slowly more in the dark. I do have a fabric laptop case that I always put my laptop in, and I usually rest my laptop on top of it anyway, but I got one of these like ports because the MacBook Pros only have the C ports in them now. C port, like semester at sea port. This just has a whole bunch of extra different kind of ports. There's 2 different SDs, some USB, regular phone kind of charger, and HDMI. So that'll be good if anybody wants to plug in movies or something to watch. There's a couple different colors. I got the blue one, of course. I got this suitcase wear. It's really lightweight, easy to use, and you just put this like through the handle, and then it'll tell you how heavy your suitcase is, and that way I just don't have to guess. Like when I'm coming back to the US or when I'm post-traveling, because I'll be backpacking for about a month in Europe after semester at sea. Don't worry, I'll vlog that too, obviously. That way I just don't have to worry about if my suitcase is gonna be over. I can just test it out, and this is super light, and they have different colors of this. You can weigh in pounds and kilograms, and has a bunch of different features in it. So then I got this diving waterproof case. This merges more into just me trying to be a travel vlogger. I am a travel vlogger. We're just speaking that into existence because why not? It's this really nice, look at this. And you just open, like this case comes off, kind of difficult because it needs to be waterproof, so it needs to be difficult to open. Put your phone inside, and when you press down on this button, it'll click your volume button, so it'll take a picture, or you can take video with it too. So I will definitely be taking really good underwater shots on this, like on semester at sea and in the future, and I'm really excited about getting a chance to use it. I just think it'll be so cool. And then it comes with like some extra accessories to be able to get it out, like a cord so you can wrap it around your wrist so that it won't sink to the bottom of the ocean. So I heard a lot of people talking about being able to attach things to their backpacks that may not fit or just be easier to attach on the outside. So I got a lot of carabiners. This is a pack of 10. It came in a bunch of different colors, and they have this so you can screw it all the way up and then it can't unlock. I just thought that would be like an easy, lightweight, useful thing that I could use for a lot of different things. I can have them on my backpacks. I can clip them on my water bottle. This water bottle actually has one of these carabiners, but it's like not really heavy duty one. It's pretty lightweight, but I can go like that and then like attach this to my backpack so that I don't risk my water bottle falling out of my backpack, which has happened to me. Actually, when I was in Bali, we were riding the bikes up this mountain because we were at these waterfalls that were kind of at the bottom, like near the shore, and this water bottle fell out of my backpack and like tumbled down the path like a long ways, and I didn't even notice till we were almost up. And so I was just up at the top just like praying that somebody had seen it and like stopped to get it. I didn't even know where it fell out. Somebody stopped, picked it up. This water bottle is truly an emotional support water bottle. I was seriously more worried about whether this water bottle would survive. I have almost gotten this lost so many times. The fact that I have 2 water bottles now is risky. I'm gonna be honest, it's risky. Okay, anyway, the last thing, actually not the last thing, but one of the more fun ones. I got an official YouTuber tripod. It's not a big one because I needed it to be portable, and I have the phone attachment and then one of the clickers so I can take pictures with it. Very excited about that. I needed this to be small, portable, just be able to like throw it in a backpack and not worry about it being too big or anything like that. I also got some black travel pants. I'll put a picture of them up. They're also on Amazon. They're a legging material, but they're a little looser. They're more like joggers, and they have pockets. I just thought it really nice to have something that looks nicer, but is also really comfortable. I got a whole set of packing cubes. I already have one set of packing cubes. They're blue and they work pretty well, but I wanted some different size ones and an ability to kind of mix up what I use because I know I'm going to be traveling a lot in the future, not even just semester at sea, but for a while down the road too. I think there's 6 in here. There's this size, kind of a medium-ish. This like long skinny one that would be good for like socks, underwear, and stuff like that. There's this little one which I could use for swimsuits and bikinis, probably a slightly bigger one, and all of these are the compression ones. They start out bigger and then you can zip them tighter. This large one, big square one, which I don't know what I'm gonna use yet for Seattle because I haven't packed yet. And then there's also this, I guess it could be either a dirty clothes bag or you could put your shoes in here. And they're just a really fun pattern. It's just nice to have some things that are not like plain colors, very neutral colors. I like having fun colored stuff. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 6 including this bag. The last thing that I got from my birthday, it's semester at sea related. It's not directly semester at sea. I got a suitcase. Not that I don't already have suitcases. I have like a regular, not hard case suitcase, and I'm borrowing my grandma's rolling duffel suitcases because I'm not about to buy a rolling duffel suitcase that I will only use on semester at sea. That's not happening. But I have like one regular suitcase that I've confirmed will fit under the bed. But this is a Samsonite, the prettiest blue you have ever seen, but it's a carry-on suitcase, and I'm actually going to Seattle on Thursday, so in 2 days. I'm going to use this for the first time. I'm so excited about this. There's like a medium and a large suitcase too, so if at any point I decide that I want like a full set of matching suitcases, which might happen, then I will be getting the large one of these, and they nest. They can like fit inside each other. That is my birthday semester at sea haul. That is all the things I got for semester at sea. I'll also have a Christmas semester at sea haul for sure. We're actually having to celebrate Christmas early because my family is going on a trip over Christmas, and then I will be home for less than 24 hours before I fly to Dubai for semester at sea. That is the plan. This is me not knowing how to end a vlog. There's lots of travel content coming up. Nusa Penida volunteering with sea turtles, Seattle trip, cruise with my family that's over Christmas, traveling to semester at sea. I will be vlogging every single port in semester at sea and ship days. I'll be doing it all. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be posting very regularly starting now. And this is me holding myself to that so I don't take a 2-month break again because that wasn't intentional. I'm gonna be trying to post every Wednesday. We'll see if that happens. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.